People are amazed by the line. I think this is the biggest and most modern production line of its kind in Northern Europe. Then you had like this. Yeah, this is what we want. This is what we need. My name is Anders Tiger and I work as a technical and maintenance manager at Stena Stål in Sweden. We distribute different kinds of steel all over Sweden, from small bars to big bars, from steel to special steel to aluminium, pretty much anything. The main idea with Stena Stål has always been to deliver to anyone whatever they want. So even if you're only buying one tiny steel bar, it doesn't matter. We have been supplying them. So we had a lot of small customers. But now, since we have the new production line, we can actually be bidding on the big projects that we haven't been able to do before. What is important to our customers is actually to have reliability in a line. Before we bought this line, we had a lot of problem with machines malfunctioning. Our sales organization wasn't even confident that, okay, I promise this to a customer, but will the customer get the things in time? Now we have an automated flow. You put the beam on in one end of the line and pretty much within an hour it comes out the other end and is finished. Our competitors, they don't have the same possibilities as us. We have two infeeds to the line. One infeed that is dedicated to steel plates and stuff like that. Because very often we do shot blasting and painting of steel plates. From the other side we can feed in beams and stuff like that. We have a bypass, which means that we can do shot blasting painting at the same time as we're feeding the rest of the line with beams. We have a drilling and milling, B631, and after that we have two different saws, BB1250. When it comes to the line and we put it on the line, we'll actually scan the license plate of the beam and connect it to a production order. The Voortman system takes over that traceability, and it doesn't matter what we do to it, if it's shot blasting, painting, drilling, milling. If we saw the beam into 10 pieces, in the end of the line there will come out 10 labels, ensuring that you have the right charge number on each piece. We have outfeeds for material, we have outfeeds for remnants. We have a lot of customers ordering quite short pieces, which actually comes out on the short pieces removal system instead. The software that we have from Voortman is actually the LogicSteel.
So basically we have several projects from different clients that use the same material. We can batch it in one long bar and we can prepare two projects at the same time with the same material. This is something that saves us a lot of time, and without it we would spend so much time and we would make so many errors on the way in order to batch.
The Voortman was more competitive because they had the whole system, the complete solution, that we have everything. Actually a turnkey solution. Voortman has the support that pretty much all around the clock where you can get help, which other suppliers don't have. Everything that Voortman promises, they keep. Yeah, I would recommend Voortman to anyone who wants a turnkey solution where you have a complete solution. Everything from procurement to aftermarket, they will be there and they will help you. We didn't have any issues through the project, but we had a lot of laughs instead. A lot of happy faces.